As we begin our journey through the history of mathematics, जो क्वेश्चन सबसे पहले मन में आता है, that is where do we start? Hello everyone, myself Ramiza Fatima, your dear math teacher here. Did you ever think that we can count things? Yes, the first method of counting has been argued to be counting on fingers. This becomes a sign language. While not writing, this gave way to written numbers, that is tallies. Tallies were made by carving notches in wood, bone and stone, which was used at least for 40,000 years ago. In tally marks को शायद elapsed time like number of days, lunar cycles और जानवरों का quantity record करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. Any numbers that can be found in this real world is real numbers. You find numbers everywhere around us. अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है, ये सारे नंबर्स को रियल नंबर क्यों बोला जाता है? Because they are not imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers आने से पहले रियल नंबर का अलग सा कोई नाम नहीं था. They are called real because they were not imaginary. That's the actual answer. So basically, real number is the union of set of rational numbers and set of irrational number. Thus, ऐसा कोई real number नहीं है that is neither rational or irrational. But the number is also of so many types. Some have negative values, some have positive values, some numbers are very large, some numbers are very small, some are in mathematical operation and so on. So basically, there are many types of numbers. अभी यहाँ पे देखो रियल नंबर्स का चार्ट. तो चलो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू फ्रॉम बॉटम नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आर नेचुरल नंबर्स? Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers just like 1, 2, 3 so on up to infinity. And these are positive numbers because we can't count negative terms. And we denote this natural number with capital letter N equal to 1, 2, 3 so on up to infinity. That's it. It's simple. अब आता है zero. Do you know who invented this? Our one and only Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. बहुत powerful number है ये zero. कुछ भी तुम zero के साथ multiply करो, the product will become zero. The new number zero, when it is added to the natural numbers, you get a new set of numbers called whole numbers, which is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 so on up to infinity. ये सारे numbers को हम बोलते हैं whole numbers. The whole number is denoted with the symbol caps W. Remember, every natural number is a whole number. लेकिन every whole number is not a natural number. For a field of advanced mathematics and समय के साथ साथ there was a need of negative numbers. So when these negative numbers are added to the whole number, you get integers and it is denoted with caps letter Z. अब ये Z word आया कहाँ से? Z came from the word zählen, which means to count. It is used to express temperatures, longitude and latitude which can have negative values. For example, minus 20 degrees Celsius, all these are negative values. सारे whole number integers है, but the reverse is not true. अब देखते हैं what are prime numbers. Prime numbers is a natural number which are greater than 1 and that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. Now I'll explain you with an example. Let's take 2. The only positive divisors of 2 are 1 and 2 itself. What about 3? The positive divisors are 1 and 3. So these both are prime numbers. और भी बहुत सारे prime numbers examples है. Like for example 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. Because the only positive divisors of these numbers are 1 and itself. What about 4? The only divisors of 4 is equal to 1, 2, 4. Here you found 2. which is other than 1 and 4 itself. तो 4 कभी भी prime number नहीं हो सकता. तो 4 क्या है? The numbers other than prime are called composite numbers. For example, 6, 9, 10, etc. अभी एक बात बताओ, कभी कभी numbers को हम ऐसे फॉर्म में भी देखते हैं ना. These numbers are called rational numbers where p and q are integers and the denominator is not equal to 0. Word rational number came from ratio, which is denoted with capital letter Q. एक Q को हम quotient word से उठाया है. Example 9/5, 1/2, etc. Also remember this point. Between any two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers, but the reverse is not true. Field of advanced mathematics and mathematicians found that there are few numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where this p and q are integers and the denominator is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called as irrational numbers. Can you give me some example? Examples like √2, pi, √3, etc. Rational numbers and irrational numbers एक साथ मिलके बनता है real numbers and it is denoted with the symbol capital letter R. Number line के ऊपर सारे points real number है. -7, 0, 4/9, √2, 5. Remember that सारे rational and irrational numbers are real numbers, but the reverse is not true. This is all about real number system. The next topic of this chapter is Euclid's division lemma, which I am going to explain you in my next video. Till then, enjoy learning Board Plus.